All right, so we do have a little bit of a green market here, which is no surprise to you because if you've been watching the updates, I told you 2 days ago that this is exactly what was going to happen. We're gonna pump. I also told you about 5 days ago that this is the time to buy. This is the crypto bottom. So if you've been around, this is hopefully not news for you, and you are participating in the market. I do have my longs open, even though yesterday in the community I said I'm going to close 50% of them. That's just some kind of security, but I do have them running, and hopefully we can ride these all the way up. So today is actually an interesting update because on one hand, I don't think you should trust the pump, and the other hand, I do think that this can be the beginning of the massive rally. The trades that we took are basically concluded, so I'm going to talk about all that. I know there are a lot of new people here. If you're new, my name is Fefe. What I do is 5 to 10 minute daily updates. I've been here since 2016 and I help you navigate the market. So if this is something that's interesting to you and you don't really have time, you have to watch every single one of them. That's how they make sense. So you watch one and the next day you watch another, and you join in the community. There's a link in the description so you can be updated if I do any changes during the day. So that sounds good. Let's get going. Number one, most important thing, congratulations to all of you. Congratulations, because I've been very, very confident that we are going to get this pump, and I've been explaining it 5 days ago that this is exactly how we're going to play out and come all the way to the 356, and this is exactly what's basically happening now. We have the retraces, a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful market structure. So we do have a market structure shift here, a retrace, and a 4-point structure. We talked about this on the show here. I explained this on there when it happened, and I'm super happy to see that you know, this is how things work, and it's just proof is in the pudding. So if you look at this, the question really is, why do I say that this can potentially fade away and die down this week? Multiple reasons. So one of the things that we need to mention before I jump into the chart, there is a resolution on the government shutdown, and that means that the government will reopen, and that basically one of the reasons why the market is ignited. Then there was the $2,000 stimulus check coming from Trump, and then there is news that China is opening much more to diplomacy with the US. But it's super important to, and as Miles puts the question here, super important to consider that we could potentially see that this pump fades away as well. Remember, every Monday has been for 2 months a sell. I'm not saying sell the news, but a dump. So we have to consider all that. So very important. You have a market structure here, right? The market structure is on the 5-minute chart was low, high, low, high. You had a low, you have a high, you have a new low, right? With a close above. You have a new low, and then a new high now forming. What is super important, I want you to pay attention to it, is that there is always a 50% retrace without breaking below the previous low. So 50% there, 50% here. So now what I would be looking at is another 50% retrace on this leg. Until, and this is the important part, so now we have an hourly market structure shift as well. So it's not just the 5-minute, not just the 15-minute, it is an hourly market structure shift. If you look at the hourly chart, you do have this consolidation area here, and now we have a clear break above there. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful market structure, okay? So now you can say that the reversal that will take us to the highs here, or at least the highs here at 3.8 is confirmed. So this here is basically confirmed. One scenario, or this here is basically confirmed. So why do I say that this can fade away? Is because of the higher time frame structure. This is still nothing else other than a 50% retrace on the 4-hour leg. This is the OB on the 4-hour. This is just a retrace, and we can see this fade away. The one so I'm holding these. The reason why I took profits is I took profits because I wanted to make sure if there is a nuke happening, if there is some complications with the government reopening, whatever, that I'm just prepared. I'm up massively. I took 50,000 profits on this already, and I still have 17,000 unrealized. So I didn't want to risk all this. It doesn't make any sense when I'm basically trading against the ultimate trend, which is down. So what I wanted to say here is that the only indication that I'm looking for to close the entire position is a break below the market structure. Now, the market structure, as I said, this is our low here, okay? So the low here sits at, let me just pull this in here, sits at 336. This is the major low. If we get a break below here, that is telling me that, you know, this was just a fake out, was a retrace on the higher time frame OB, and that we are going to continue our way lower. I don't think we're going that much lower before bouncing, because this is the weekly or the weekly order block. So if we get a bounce, I would imagine we get it from here. I said this multiple times on the channel here. But we can still come back for a final push, especially we are building up liquidity, which I don't really like. And again, as I always say, elevator down, stairs up, you always want to be on the elevator. So ultimately, TLDR, I do have my long positions in. I close 50% of them because I don't want to risk. I'm leaving the rest in case we are able to close above here on the 4-hour chart, 3.66. And if we are able to do that, that means that we are going, most likely we are going to see the retrace to at least a daily OB. Now, whether this daily OB is the 386, let me just look at it. Yeah, so this up here, whether this is the 386.90 or we go up to the 4.17 straight out, I don't know. We will see. This is why you're here. This is why you subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notifications on. I'll update you here and in the community. But in general, I do think that this can be the beginning. The only invalidation that I'm looking for is a rejection on the 1 hour. You can possibly look at a rejection on the 15 minutes. So if that happens, I'm also going to close some positions. You have the low here, you have another low, you have another low. So currently it's sitting at 3.47. If we have a retrace that and the close below, or maybe even a push and the close below, I'm gonna update you in the community. I might close another 50% of the positions, but I just don't want you to get caught and you know, stay there with your pants down. So ultimately, this is what I think. I hope it makes sense. Very important for YouTube and for you. Nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research, and this is for entertainment purposes only. So I put this out there. Also, I wanted to let you know that if you want to participate in this, I do have my bots open as well. I always told you that bots are the great way to go about not really caring about the market. These bots were down, and a lot of you are laughing. Well, who is laughing now? So most of the bots are already up in profit. 30% profit, 50% profit, 80% profit. We have 10% down with 33 on 𝗠𝗠, down with 28 up, 6 down. So majority of the bots are already up, and all of them are going to be, in my opinion. There's a link in the description. You can literally just copy my settings, and you can get a $1,000 sign-up bonus if you use our link. So go and check that out. Again, link in the description. And also join in on the family. Join the family, also link in the description. Guys, I truly appreciate you. I hope this made sense. If you're new here, again, I know it might be a little bit, you know, slower catch up and whatever. Don't worry, please subscribe, turn the bell notifications on, come back for another one tomorrow, and keep coming. Pin the Telegram post on the top of your Telegram so you can get up-to-date information. If you think this is valuable, try it out for a week, 2 weeks. It's completely free. Yeah, guys, appreciate you. Much love. Check out this video. This is how you can claim the $1,000 sign-up bonus. I think it's a no-brainer to do it. And this is going to be about how I use these bots to actually trade for me. Subscribe button here. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.